Well, here in Northeast Ohio, it's a very different story. We are keeping an eye out for showers and thunderstorms as we've got a lot that's happening on this Friday night in the land.
Yeah, it's poncho season.
Yeah,
Poncho's upon us.
I know it is this type of weather here that we don't like that's popping up on radar right now when we start to get some of the big events like the Browns. It's going to be happening here in a couple hours or so. But in short order, yes, we're going to be expecting some wet weather and maybe even some rumbles move through for the rest of the evening here. We'll turn off the faucet a little bit on Saturday and then we'll prepare ourselves for our next weather maker to arrive here. But we'll also have a little bit of shower activity beginning to move south in Holmes County down to the Millersville area, Kilbuck area. I know there's a creek down there that normally floods down there as well. You can see 520 near Glearmont, just to the south of Ripley, just a little bit of a light shower. No thunderstorm activity associated with that. This is going to be sort of that northwest quadrant that we're going to be watching once we get towards the 6 p.m. hour, carrying us over towards 7 p.m. and certainly by 8, 9 p.m. once it moves into the Cleveland metro area. All in all, yes, we're getting some wet weather to arrive here. This is what the model is forecasting as far as rainfall is concerned through about 7, 8 a.m. So you know that this is a little bit more than a drop in the bucket. Fast forward into the afternoon and the evening hours, even more rain is going to be expected, and some of it could be heavy at times. So when we look at the area right now, it seems like the calm before the storms. We got wall-to-wall sunshine and some clouds beginning to build on in here. And temperatures, again, not that bad. Upper 70s to low 80s, slightly below average here. So we'll get right to the map here, your National Design Mark forecast. Keep an eye on the clock and your place on the map as we move forward here. Again, west moving towards east, beginning toward our western areas. This is the graph model. Okay, we're going to err on the side a little bit of caution with this, certainly as everyone is coming downtown. This model wants to forecast that we'll start to get some wet weather and some stronger rainfall around the 6, perhaps even 7 p.m. hour. This is, again, prime time for the kickoff at 7:30 p.m. Once we get past 7:30, we start to have a little bit more clusters arrive towards the rest of the evening. 9, 10, perhaps even 11, moving towards the 12 midnight hour. We get that energy on out of here as we open up the gate for us on Saturday morning. I think we're going to have likely a little bit of damp. Soggy start to our Saturday. Temperatures again upper 60s to low 70s, more 70s probably because of the cloud cover and maybe even some of that rain that's still kind of keeping things submerged here. Into the afternoon we go. Late morning hours into the afternoon, we open up the clouds. We'll allow a little bit more sunshine. We heat the surface as well. Mid to upper 80s could be expected, and then that's when the frontal boundary begins to show its ugly head once we move in here. We'll stop that pause point in the second half hour, but I think it's safe to say between the 6 p.m. and perhaps 10 p.m. hour, we're going to be on radar watch across Northeast Ohio for the threat for some showers and even strong to severe thunderstorms. This is what our severe weather outlook looks like for today. So we're 1 out of 5 here. These are our severe weather threats: damaging winds, perhaps even moderate to heavy rain, hail threat, and maybe even a tornado possible. Will it be in our area? It is on the lowest end of the totem pole, but it still must be announced to you. Here's that Union Home Mortgage 7 as you're planning out the weekend and heading into next week. Occasional showers to kick us off, at least for tomorrow. PM thunderstorms possible. Sunny skies expected on Sunday. Low 80s with another strong to severe thunderstorm potential arriving on Monday. That's a strong frontal boundary moving through, so we'll likely linger with some shower activity as the low tries to pull away on Tuesday. Then we dry things out, it looks like, for the rest of the weekend. Maybe, just maybe a shower chance possible as it develops on Friday evening. Ladies?
All right, Jason, thank you so much.